I thought I'd do a little walk around to the car after its first wash after being ceramic coated about a week and a half ago. Over the course of 2 days, starting yesterday, I started with the interior. Did a full interior, starting with blowing everything out with an air compressor and a nozzle with a 1-foot wand on it, followed by a vacuum. Wiped down all the plastics and leather, cleaned the windows using DIY rinseless 256-1 for the entire interior. Took me about 25 minutes. Then I decided I had enough for the day. And then this morning I decided to do the exterior. I did a deep clean of the rubber, the tires themselves, the inner fenders, and then I did a rinseless wash of the whole car, including all the jams, door jams, inside around the trunk. Got a whole rinseless, including the deep cleaning on the tires. That took me about 30-35 minutes. Spray with the DIY, go over it with the ultra safe sponge, the grandpa to the legacy sponge, finish the paint, resprayed the tires with rinseless, wiped down the rims, treated the tires themselves with Turtle Wax graphene acrylic tire shine. And overall, the whole process, even though it took 2 days, really only took about an hour, give or take. And that is including breaks, because I was in no hurry at all. And I was thinking, comparing that to just over 2 months ago, before I started listening to Ivan LaCroix and Nick McGurk on DIY Detail, watching their videos, their podcasts, being on their Facebook page. Not even 2 months ago, just an exterior wash, pre-rinse, contact wash, tires, rims, wheel wells, and then a rinse followed by a flood rinse to make it easier to dry. Drying the car and being done would have taken me minimum 2 hours. Usually longer, especially if I were to add in the brakes. So in the span of less than 2 months, I've cut down the time it takes to do a full detail, interior and exterior. From the exterior, like I said, was about 30-35 minutes. Compare that to 2+ hours. Plus, as an added benefit, using the DIY rinseless, I don't get any wash marring. My previous car was black. If you look at some of my earlier videos, you'll see it. It looked like a mirror, but to the trained eye, you could see wash marring from the contact wash, from drying without a drying aid. So actually, I'm getting a much better job in a quarter of the time. So I'd say definitely give these guys a listen. Join the Facebook page. You can do nothing but get better by following their advice, listening to what they have to say. You don't have to implement all of it, but just, tweak your own process to maybe include or mirror some of theirs. And you too can have results like this in a lot less time. See you next time.